In the legend of Störtebeker, his spirit still roams, surrounds the ship, sails on, guided by ghostly tones. 12 meters without a head, the fearless crew abide in the annals of the sea, forever side by side. Out on the rolling waves, where the tempests roar, a band of fearless souls, bound for distant shores. 12 meters without a head, our ship cuts through the spray, with hearts as bold as lions, we'll seize the day. 12 meters without a head, sailing far and wide, courage in our hearts upon the ocean tide. Through the storms and strife, we'll never lose our pride. 12 meters without a head, the fearless crew abide. From the Baltic shores to the North Sea's gleam, we'll chase the setting sun in pursuit of our dream. With every crashing wave, we'll face it without fear, for in the heart of sailors, adventure draws near. On the taller Hund we sailed, our ship strong and true, with Störtebeker at the helm, leading the crew. Through storms and battles, we'd always prevail. With our captain's courage, we'd never fail. It's 12 meters without a head, sailing far and wide, courage in our hearts upon the ocean tide. Through the storms and strife, we'll never lose our pride. 12 meters without a head, the fearless crew abide. When the call of the gallows came, Störtebeker stood tall, facing death bravely, he answered the call. Past his mates he strode, headless yet brave, a captain protecting his crew, their lives to save. 12 meters without a head, sailing far and wide, courage in our hearts upon the ocean tide. Through the storms and strife, we'll never lose our pride. 12 meters without a head, the fearless crew abide. 12 meters without a head, the fearless crew abide. 12 meters without a head, the fearless crew